Y'all, I got a special guest today.
Hello.
My husband. You guys didn't know this is my husband, Jeremy. We just celebrated our 5-year wedding anniversary, but we've been together for like almost a decade now. It's been a long time, baby.
Yes, it has.
And it gets better and better. Clonk. This is my very first menswear video, and it's actually very near and dear to my heart because I've been buying all of Jeremy's clothes since we started dating.
Yes. First time I got my paycheck, I handed it to you, and I was like, can you please help me shop? Because I don't know what I'm doing. But I used to have this vest that was horrible.
Oh, I used to wear fedoras with it. Oh my, I'm like, are you like the bartender at a speakeasy? Like, what's your vibe? Jeremy's style evolution has changed so much since we have grown up into adults. How would you describe your style?
I don't have a lot of clothes. I don't need a lot of clothes, which is good, right? Because it's so funny when you look at our closet. Erica has pretty much the whole closet, then I have this teensy little spot. That's all I need. It really is. Like, I really don't need a lot.
Thank you.
I buy a couple things that I find some things that I like, and then I just wear them until they are indecent to wear out in public anymore because they're
disintegrating.
Yeah.
Yes, Jeremy is a super minimalist, which makes it super easy for me. I try to dress him in very modern, timeless things because he wears things so often, and I want to make it very foolproof where all the things intertwine and fit together. Today's video is in collaboration with EVERLANE. Jeremy and I are going to go through all of his latest updated pieces from EVERLANE's latest collection, Uniform. It features 12 everyday pieces that have been rigorously tested, tried and true, wear and tear to the max, amazing quality basics for every man's wardrobe. This video is gonna be so good for anyone that's looking to refresh their man's wardrobe. This is the clean slate for anyone that is looking for hard-wearing basics that look amazing, and a man that doesn't know where to start, he can put all these things together and he'll have a bomb outfit every time. So on that note, I hope you guys enjoy. As always, everything mentioned in today's video is
Down below in the description box.
all right, guys, I love you guys, and on that note, let's get started. All right, you guys, starting off with the first items, the real guts of anyone's wardrobe is, of course, the everyday t-shirt. Your go-to throw-on for casual days, but also serves as a nice base for your dressier outfits, especially for a dude. I mean, the jeans and tee is like your uniform. Am I right?
Yep.
Am I right? Okay. We started off with 2 options out of the 4 different types within the uniform collection. And the first one was, of course, your casual option. I love this crew neck t-shirt. It's classic. The pocket adds a little something extra, and it's a nice laid back everyday casual t-shirt in this beautiful neutral slate color. 100% cotton, extremely nice and soft. But for a versatile playmate, we want to do something a little bit different. We went with the V-neck t-shirt. This one is in this beautiful muted teal color, and I love this one because this has no pocket on it. It feels a little bit more elevated. You can wear it basically with jeans for a date night, or Jeremy can throw on a sports coat over it and make it like a smart casual look for the office. Both necklines are so classic, but they definitely give a little extra zhuzh depending on which one you pick. And I like this darker color because it feels a little bit more elevated and dressy versus the lighter color we did for the casual option. Now in the collection, there's 2 additional types. There's a long sleeve crew neck with a pocket, or they have a simple crew neck without the pocket. But these 2 I think were really great to round out the things that you don't have in your wardrobe right now.
Yep.
And there's tons of different color options. But for Jeremy, we like to do shades of blue, so these 2 worked perfectly and harmoniously. You can do lots of different things with these, baby. Item number 3, I love this piece so much because you have nothing in your wardrobe like this, but definitely need something for the colder weather. A specific option for the fall and winter, we have the
French Terry Crew.
This sweatshirt is amazing because it looks so elevated than a typical floppity boppity sweatshirt. It is so streamlined. It's got that nice French terry feeling. It's loose enough so that you can layer up. Like, I feel like you can throw this over a simple t-shirt, or it will look so bomb with a button-down shirt underneath for a really preppy layered effect. And it obviously looks amazing by itself. I went with a different color since Jeremy normally focuses on very cool tone colors, something to liven things up a little bit. I also think it looks really good with your red beard. A really nice different option in case you need a higher warmth level for your outfit, and I think it looks really good.
Perfect for Colorado.
Perfect for Colorado, yes, absolutely. And there's also a hoodie version of this within the uniform collection. All right, now moving on to the quintessential must-have. Everyone, girl or guy, I highly recommend a button-down shirt, especially if you're a working professional. Like a button-down shirt will be your go-to for the office and also will just really jazz up your casual wear. This one is the
Japanese Oxford.
First off, they come in two different fits. There's a standard fit and a slim fit. Preferably, Jeremy likes to do the slim fits just because it really narrows and tapers the waist a little bit, but the standard fit is a more traditional boxier fit that gives you a little bit more room. Either way, both of them are cut so beautifully and modern. This particular one, I wanted to add a little bit of extra pattern into his repertoire. A lot of the colors here are obviously solid and this kind of breaks it up, but the stripes are so beautifully subtle. Like even on camera, it just looks like a nice smooth gray, but it will work seamlessly with all the other stuff that he has in his closet in addition to these items.
And it's actually pretty thick. So it's not like those typical business dress shirt that's really, really thin that you kind of need a undershirt under because otherwise it'll show your nips or your chest hair.
Don't want to show the nips at work.
It's pretty substantial, which
Yes.
is nice.
It's like that thick cottony feel. I feel like it really marries casual life and business life all together. If you want a more like, laid back look, you can definitely cuff this guy up and have it more 3/4 sleeves, or you can have it fully down for a more professional look and also will look great layered with things like the pullover crew neck on top. Also, because it is so thick and substantial, I also think it would be a nice layering piece on top of t-shirts, especially during the fall. Also comes in solid colors, but Jeremy did not have a shirt like this in this type of stripe in his closet, so we went with this one instead. All right, now for the pants. We have two different pants, and I have to say, these two pairs will work for all of your occasions and last you so long with literally just these two pairs. So we're gonna start off with this one first. You guys know I am a huge EVERLANE jean denim fanatic, but Jeremy has never tried on a pair of the EVERLANE jeans, and holy cannoli.
They fit great.
This is the EVERLANE Performance jean, you guys, and the attention to detail in men's fit is just like outstanding.
So the cool thing about these jeans for me is the fit. So I have pretty thick thighs and a larger butt. I think we both like to call my thighs butter pecan thighs. I'm just a little more juicy. My biggest problem with jeans is that I'm either squeezing myself into them or I size up so that I have more room for my padding. And what ends up happening is the waist gets really, really big. So the nice thing about these, they have this thing called athletic fit, where they give you more room in the thigh and the butt region without sacrificing the waist, or more importantly, it still tapers down on the leg, because otherwise you get these very blocky jeans and I look like, like a Lego man.
The performance jean comes in 3 different fits. It comes in slim, skinny, and athletic. And we went with the dark indigo wash because it works best with his business casual wear. If you're gonna wear jeans to the office, the darker the rinse, the better, so it almost emulates slacks. All right, so next up we have the
Performance chinos.
And these are game changers, literally game changers. If you guys are looking for a pant that looks like a business slack but feels like athleisure wear, this is the pant for you.
I actually prefer to wear chinos to the office when I travel, because with slacks you have to dry clean them.
That's so true.
And so it's like I'm getting charged to own a pair of slacks, I prefer to actually wash them in the washer.
I feel like you've had so many chinos in the past that were so thick and so stuffy, like they felt like extremely heavy cotton. This, I was so in shock at how lightweight they were. They have that same incredible modern tapered leg fit, and they were also very thoughtful with this chino too. There is the performance chino in athletic fit, which is what Jeremy is wearing, and they also have a slimmer fit for guys who don't need that extra room in this back seat. Love these, and for this color, I wanted to do something different than blues on blues on blues. I wanted to break it up with some warmer earth tones, and this ochre color is like obviously one of my favorites from EVERLANE. It matches with everything, it warms the skin up a little bit, and super good. Between these two pair of pants, I literally feel like you have all of your occasions covered, and the fact that there's customized fits for everything, like I am very, very happy.
Yes.
And for our final piece, this is like
Excited about this one.
instant cool guy. You're always a cool guy, but now you're an extra cool guy. For the piece of outerwear in this collection, there's 2 main ones. There's the denim jacket, but the denim jacket I feel like wasn't really your style, but this guy is so your style.
Yes.
This is the bomber jacket. Literally, when I dress Jeremy, I always top him off with a jacket like this. I absolutely love this one. Just like your regular bomber jacket, this features the typical silhouette, but it is not a big, puffy, stuffy Michelin Man style. This is a very nice, layerable, medium weight jacket. It is really awesome because you have extra details like this little side pocket here. Very street style cool with the extra hardware, and even super thoughtful. They have these flaps here that cover the actual full line pocket, and it has little magnetic clasps that are hidden here, so it keeps the flaps down and seamless for you. It's street style cool. You can put on top of any t-shirt, it looks bomb. You can stack it on top of your really like formal, sophisticated button downs, looks bomb. Literally everything you put underneath here will look incredible, and it matches so well with the dark indigo jeans. Like, it is an instant, like, man, that guy knows how to dress.
Nice hidden pocket.
Oh yes, the hidden pocket. I love this, you guys. It also has a hidden magnetic clasp to keep this shut. If you guys have a lot of your basics on lockdown and you're needing a jacket that makes everything look good, this is a definite thing that you guys gotta check out. All right, you guys, so that pretty much does it for the review of the 7 items from the EVERLANE men's uniform collection. Now that his wardrobe is so minimalist and simple, like, he can infuse new stuff and old stuff so well together. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Again, everything mentioned in today's video, girls and guys stuff, will be down below in the description box. Be sure to check out the full uniform collection. If you're a girl out there who typically buys stuff for your guy and you guys want some more videos like this, I would love to hear it down below. Love you guys. Bye.
Bye.
Mwah.